In general, our contemplative maps of the journey come to an end with the discovery of the true self and its oneness with the divine. This unitive state, known by various terms and different traditions, follows the falling away or transcendence of the ego and entails a radical change or transformation of consciousness. Beyond this, however, our maps do not go. But this unitive or transcendental state is not the end of the journey. It may be the end of the ego self, but by no means is it the end of self. This is saying that our completed journey consists of two very different endings. First, the falling away of the ego, and second, the much later falling away of the true self and divine center. Nowhere does our contemplative literature make this specific distinction. Instead, it speaks only of one major movement or ending. The true no-self event, or falling away of the unitive state, is bound to alter our traditional maps and paradigms of the journey. In this passage, Bernadette is making a distinction between what I simply refer to as partial and full enlightenment. This distinction, generally speaking, is not on our spiritual maps. However, now that you are aware of it, you can update your spiritual map and understanding of the journey.